Care of your mask and equipment will ensure your treatment is more comfortable and effective. It will also prolong its working life. Every couple of days, wash your mask cushion in warm, soapy water. Use a mild dishwashing detergent as opposed to a liquid hand soap. A clean, grease-free mask forms a better seal and is less likely to leak. After washing, rinse with water and leave on a towel to dry. At least once a week, remove the air tubing and mask from the CPAP device. Wash the mask, headgear and tubing in warm soapy water, rinse with clean water and leave to dry. Remember to change the filter on the back of your device every 4 to 6 months. Check the filter periodically for holes or blockages caused by dirt or dust. If necessary, change the filter and remember to replace the filter cover on the back of the device. Contact your CPAP supplier for information on obtaining replacement filters. Even with proper care, your mask and headgear will probably need to be replaced after about a year. If you notice any deterioration sooner, such as cracks or tears in any part of the mask, the damaged part should be discarded and replaced.